Call of Duty Black Ops 6 crashes, won't update, shows an error, or it simply doesn't open, then this could be happening because the Microsoft Store or Xbox app might be damaged or corrupt. So follow the steps on this video to learn how to repair Call of Duty Black Ops 6 in a quick and easy way. Open your Xbox app. Select Call of Duty. Click on the three dots. Select Manage. Open the Files tab. Click on Check for Updates. This will check for updates in case there's a new update that will resolve your issue. If that didn't work, select Verify and Repair. Choosing to verify and repair your files will reset Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 to its original settings. You won't retain any mod files, and game saves that aren't backed up may also be lost. Do you want to continue? Press Yes. Now wait for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 to be scanned for errors. Now launch Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Call of Duty. Click on the three dots to open the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 isn't working right, you can try to repair it. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 is still not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3's data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 is still not working, uninstall it. This will uninstall Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3's settings. Your documents will not be affected. Press Uninstall. Open the Xbox app to download Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 again. Search for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Click on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Press Install. Select your installation drive. Press Install again. Wait for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 to be downloaded and installed.